I have the information you wanted for Midland, Mr. Harcourt.
Good job, Gary. When can I leave?
Here are the flight choices and hotel information, including prices.
Very thorough job, Gary. Thank you. Why don't you get on the phone, call Marianne at Midland, and find out if they have any plans for me. Set up a tour of the factory and arrange a meeting with Mrs. Pembroke. An informal luncheon or something. You know what I want.
Yes, sir.
Marianne Roberts.
Hi, Marianne. This is Gary at Mr. Harcourt's office. How are you?
Oh, hi, Gary. I was just finishing up for the day. It's nearly 7 here.
All right, I won't keep you then. I was just wondering if you had arranged anything for Mr. Harcourt.
Oh, we've got quite a shindig planned for your boss. We're going to show him our famous Aussie hospitality.
Oh, great. A couple more things. Mr. Harcourt would like a tour of the plant, and he would like to meet with Mrs. Pembroke. Something informal.
The tour's already planned, and I know Mrs. Pembroke is looking forward to meeting him. Leave it to me.
Sounds like a plan. I'll talk with you later, Marianne. Have a good evening.
Okay, Gary, thanks. Bye-bye.